My name is Heinz. I'm FlySafair's pilot for the Red Bull Flugtag.
I'm Gerdrey, team leader and design engineer.
My name is Heiko, and I'm responsible for anything related to logistics.
My name is Joshua Swart. I'm part of FlySafair's Red Bull Flugtag team and I'm helping build the aircraft.
I'm Dennis. I'm the aeronautical design engineer for the Red Bull Flugtag team.
I'm Darian, and I'm doing the skin for the aircraft.
I'm Lozie Njobe. I'm the material planner for Red Bull Flugtag, and I need more balls.
I'm Nikita, and I'm the project manager, and I'm making sure that this project runs on schedule.
My name's Byron, and I'm going to make sure this aircraft actually gets built.
My name is Paul. I'm the headmaster of the nursery school.